I can't say I'm more disappointed, but this is a hard pill for everybody and for every Zimbabwean to swallow. For fellow Zimbabweans, this is officially and under my hand and to inform you that with immediate effect, I no longer have anything to do with Triple C. My focus remains fully on Zimbabwe as setting a victory, honoring the citizens' mandate and God's calling to provide leadership. There are fresh things we need to do. Let's all work together for a total freedom, true change, and a holistic transformation for our beloved country. Giving up or giving in is not an option. Nothing comes without tenacity and resilience. What the fuck are you contradicting yourself? Fellow citizens, you will be kept posted on the next steps. Thank you for all the support and continued prayers. We are ready for the new. Let's us embrace with opportunity. Okay, 2028. Change is coming soon in 2028. Yeah, that is to say. You know, I always say that insanity, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again, expecting different results. In this case, I'm disappointed, guys. I don't want to lie to you. Does this mean the freedom that all Zimbabweans have been waiting for, all the lies we've been told, all the things that have been promised, all the new government shit that was going on online, it was posting on Twitter right from the start, all of it is gone? Does this mean that all the things you were saying, we're just going to act like we never heard that, and we're just going to ignore the fact that he said that to every human being that can hear with their ears and they heard what he said, and act like we didn't hear anything? Is that what we're going to act like? So he's basically quitting Triple C. Okay, after quitting Triple C, what is he going to do? That comes to my point. I think a new party is about to be formed, because on my last video I actually quoted this. I saw this comment. People were saying, yo, it's lies, yo, it's fake news, what. Now look at this. I mean, look, the niggas created the very thing that we were so faithful about, the very thing that people had faith in, is quit it. So who's going to be the new leader of the Triple C? Once again, what happened in the MDC alliance is still going to happen in the Triple C, and the new political party is going to form. It's still going to happen the same way things happened this year. I say elections are useless. I say going to the elections, guys, it doesn't count anymore. I mean, you've seen what happened. I mean, let's use our common sense here. Let's not deny the truth. Let's not deny the reality on the ground. The political parties doesn't work for the Zimbabwean situation. Needs a very drastic change. The Zimbabwean situation needs a very drastic change. So now look, what am I looking at right now? The Triple C say they won the election. They were supposed to take ZANU-PF to court. Now that Mr. Chamisa quit the Triple C, what is everybody going to do about it? What are we going to do about it? Most importantly, the evidence that Triple C won the elections doesn't matter anymore. It doesn't count anymore. That means we're going to have to wait for 2028 for new elections to hold, if he's ever going to form a new party, a new political party. I mean, what are we going to do? This is crazy, because if there's evidence that Triple C won the election, if he's no longer the president, so it doesn't count anymore, what the hell is going to happen? I mean, the next steps, as he says, I'm honestly disappointed, guys. I'm disappointed to the core. Can't lie to you. This is a guy called George Carlin. He said it best. He said the truth. Politicians are liars. They don't care about us. Nobody cares about us. We can act like they care about us, but they don't. I think people have to focus on their lives and leave these politicians and politics, because to be honest with you, things are getting out of hand. I mean, things are getting crazy now. How is the world looking? How is the world watching? How is the world not doing anything about this whole situation happening in our country? Why are they quiet? How is this South Africa can take Israel to court and cannot take the government of Zimbabwe to court for the hateful things, for the abuse of power it is doing upon its people? How is that even possible? Makes me question a lot of things right now. The things that I don't understand, things that continue to confuse me each and every day because of the situations that are happening in our country. Come on, help me understand in the comment section, guys. To be honest with you, I'm faded. I just don't know what to do anymore. I just don't know what to support anymore, because each and every political party that seems to be convenient for us to vote for, they end up dropping the ball. They end up quitting on the political party. So what do they expect the people to do? Right now, I'm pretty sure that many Zimbabweans don't even know that this dude, he quit the CCC party, and the people are confused at what is going on. The people thought that the CCC had won the elections. It's insane. I don't understand what is going on. Please help me understand in the comment section. Make sure that you share, like, and comment, and just bash me whatever you want. You can swear at me. You can insult me. What I know is this is not the right move. This is confusing as hell, because he said the CCC won the elections. Now, are you going to tell me what are we going to do about the evidence? I mean, the V11s that we're being told that he has. Where are they? Everything that he has been explaining to us, each and everything that he has been actually, promising us. Saying New Zimbabwe is going to form before 2023. 2023 has passed, it comes and goes. Now we're in the new year. It's January. January is about the end. Soon enough, it will be 5 years later, and the same thing is going to happen. The ZANU-PF is going to rig the elections 2030 until Jesus comes. Nothing's going to change, and you want to tell me that we're supposed to trust these people? Come on. Let's be serious. Let's get straight to the point. I mean, come on. I'm not being any emotional. I'm not trying to be like, out of thought, out of process. What I'm just saying is straight from my own perspective, from the way I see things. I mean, the way things are happening right now, I don't get it. I don't understand anymore. Mr. Chamisa has to enlighten us on what's happening. What should we do as Zimbabweans? I mean, does this mean we're going to start from scratch again, just the way we did with... I'm disappointed, guys. I don't know about you, but myself, I'm disappointed. I think we need a new leader, or maybe we just need to take a different road, because the freedom road, the peaceful road is not leading us to anywhere. They're just taking advantage of the people, because the Zimbabwean people are scared to fight. Zimbabwean people, we don't have any backup of any country. Every country, no country supports us. They actually bash the citizens. They stand with the corrupt government. They stand with the corrupt leaders. Instead of standing with the people, they stand with the corrupt leaders. So each and every year, they're going to form a party. This is insane. To be honest with you, I don't know where we're going. Anyway, if you enjoy my show, if you enjoy this podcast, if you enjoy this, make sure that you subscribe. Thank you.